Effectively staging your home for sale is paramount, but the wrong lighting can undermine both the staging process and the photography that captures your efforts. Selecting the appropriate lighting for your entire home is a critical step in selling it. Cultivate an inviting atmosphere for potential homebuyers by avoiding inadequate lighting that may create an unwelcoming and unappealing ambiance, potentially diminishing the perceived size and appeal of the spaces. To enhance your home's overall presentation and improve the likelihood of a successful sale, prioritize well-lit rooms. When adjusting lighting, consider integrating softer bulbs. Replace high-density light bulbs with warm or soft LEDs within the Kelvin range of 2700 to 3500. The Kelvin rating defines the color temperature of the light, ensuring a flattering and comfortable illumination for the living spaces. Think of it as selecting the warmth and tone that aligns with the desired mood. Proper lighting not only prevents rooms from feeling overly dark or bright, but also significantly influences the appearances of upholstery, paint, and artwork. Maintaining consistent wattage across all light bulbs in the home is crucial for uniform lighting, especially during the photography of a stage home. Avoiding a mixture of cool and warm tones contributes to a harmonious environment and eliminates challenges for photographers seeking to capture that perfect shot. For more home selling tips, visit thestorckteam.com today.